and the code is ready.
You should avoid training problems. Kasi tawag yan. Pocket manual siya.
Ito yung code niya.
So here's the code.
Yeah, here's the code. So let's read the instructions first. Make sure airplane mode and Wi-Fi is turned off until wireless connection.
So ang manual system, hindi yung problem. Yun nga lang, kung may specific problem that we need an automated system, doon tayo papasok.
Wait, just disregard.
So ano yung
If you have to unlock NC will have this unlock code as shown there. Okay, so what do we do? Okay, and enter a non-accepted SIM card. Okay, phone will prompt for a code, so enter the code provided by us.
But we have first to set airplane mode.
How can I go back to... Hindi, it's okay. No network. How to set the...
Airplane mode yun nasa
Dismiss.
Kasi yung isang security from an authorized person. May pakinabang bago sa unauthorized person. Meron ng
One is here. Setting it to airplane mode. No, take two more. Click airplane mode.
the Wi-Fi is turned on. No,
Turn off.
turn off. Okay, it's already turned
So
off.
how to enter code again? Restart. Restart.
So, ginawa lang din po namin itong computerized para po yung malasin po yung
Okay, so we just restarted the... Tama. Turn on the handset. Okay. And then... Hindi mo natin kailangan yan kasi automatic prompt naman siya. So, let's just...
Okay, mobile data is in
Okay.
airplane mode.
It's in airplane mode now. Then, sige. Huh? Ba't yun lang?
Kasi nga naka-airplane mode.
Di kasi yung instruction eh.
Diba?
Okay.
There you go. So we have now to input.
Wait. Okay. We're now entering NCK. No.
529.
So
5299 546 689 657. That's all.
wait. Gagawin ko sa notepad.
I'm gonna type it again. So for double checking. So 529
529
546 689 657 1665. That's it.
Okay. So click unlock. Network unlock. Okay. Network unlock. Kindly turn on the airplane mode. Let's check if it reads our new SIM. No, uncheck it.
Oh, it's working.
Okay, it's
See?
working. So it's now reading a new foreign SIM. So we have just unlocked your code successfully, and
We're going to try.
we're sending this video to you for as a testimony that your code is working.
Working.